Are you looking for an inexpensive HTV that will hold up? Well, today we're going to take a look at vinyl by Merry Made and see if it stacks up. And we're going to have a giveaway. Hi, I'm Michelle Moncrief with Maker's Corner Crafts, and I help new and experienced crafters with Cricut, HTV, sublimation, and so much more. Today we're going to put Merry Made HTV to the test on my Cricut Maker. We'll use some designs from Creative Fabrica, and we'll cut, weed, and apply the designs to fabric and wood. We'll test it with the Cricut Easy Press and a standard heat press machine. I'll also discuss the specifics about the vinyl and the company. And you'll want to stick around because I'm going to tell you how to enter the giveaway near the end. Everything I discuss in this video will be linked in the description below. Let's get started. Merry Made asked if I would try out their matte HTV and give a review of it. So they sent me a package of their matte HTV to play and test with. I agreed because I think it's important to have as much flexibility with the materials we use for crafting as possible. I'm going to give you my honest opinion about it, so let's take a look at what they sent me. Okay, so we have some contact information on the back from Instagram and Facebook, and websites on the front with a contact email. That's great. Okay. Okay, looks like it comes with a piece of Teflon. Well, this is nice. I like this better than mine. It's a good size too. And a mat. This looks like a pretty good quality mat to use. All right, so it's a warm peel. It looks like it's lower temperature, and it gives you some directions on how to do it with an iron. So this is 12 inches by 10 inches. If you haven't noticed, it's not 12 by 12, which is what you may be used to. And it's a 20 pack of 18 colors. So for a basic cut test, we're going to need a simple design. We're also going to want a layered design so that we can test layering the vinyl. We'll also want an intricate design so we can see how well it cuts that. Because we're putting this on wood, I grabbed a sentiment for the wood design. Okay, I'm cutting this out on my Cricut Maker 3 because I'm having some trouble with my Cricut Maker in Bluetooth. But you can use any Cricut cutting machine or other brand like Silhouette and Brother with this HTV. Also on the package, it says that it needs to be cut iron-on plus, and I took that to mean Cricut Everyday Iron-On with more pressure. I really like this vinyl. I'm very impressed with it, and I'm actually surprised that I'm impressed with it. I am a bit of a materials and adhesive snob. So it was super simple to weed. It was really easy. Everything stuck to the weeding pick nicely. So I recommend it definitely so far. Okay, so we're going to test out the vinyl with the Cricut Easy Press and my regular heat press. So it wants us to apply firm pressure with heat press for at least 8 seconds. Easy press or regular iron users are recommended to press for 30 seconds. So since this is a layered piece, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the layers for a short period of time just to tack them down, and at the very end I'm going to do an overall press of 30 seconds. By the way, this is a cotton blend shirt. I wanted to do something a little different because we probably see online a lot of cotton shirts being done 100% cotton, so I wanted to see how it worked with this cotton blend. All right, so I've got it set for 30 seconds. I'm going to give it about 15 seconds and see how it does. That is not working out well. So I tell you what, I'm going to increase the temperature here to 280, and I'll be back with that. Okay, it's at 280 degrees, so let's give it a try. Put the Teflon sheet on there, and then go. I was having trouble with the cotton blend shirt with the Easy Press. I needed to do some experimenting to find out if it was the pressure, temperature, time, peel temp, or material type of the shirt. Here's what I found out. It was a matter of time, pressure, and peel. The high-end temperature of 280 degrees worked for all of the blanks. So let's start with the cotton blend shirt and the layered vinyl reindeer. What worked best in this case was 280 degrees temperature, 11 seconds time, and a true warm peel. The first and second layers adhered successfully and there was no wrinkling, so this comes down to temperature and pressure. I'll be using the heat press when I want to layer this vinyl in the future. Second, I pressed the intricate design to the cotton blend shirt with the Easy Press. What worked best in this case was 280 degrees, 30 seconds, lots of pressure, and a warm peel. With these settings, the design adhered perfectly with no lifting. In this case, also, I did a true warm peel. Third, I pressed the sentiment to wood using the Cricut Easy Press. Now, what worked best in this case was 280 degrees and additional time, around 40 to 45 seconds. I used as much pressure as I could and did a true warm peel. At 30 seconds, some of the designs hadn't adhered to the wood. An additional 10 to 15 seconds will help the vinyl adhere 100%. The most important takeaway here is when to peel. In my original tests, I was peeling too early when the vinyl was too hot. This is an absolute true warm peel. Don't peel it too early as it's a thin vinyl, which is a good thing. It feels nice and smooth on the t-shirts. So I'm going to do the intricate design on a 100% cotton t-shirt, and I've set it to 280 degrees, and we're going to run it for at least 8 seconds, probably a couple more. Okay, so I'm going to peel it off here and see how it does. Oh, okay, it does wonderfully on the heat press. Comes right off. That's great. Well, that was a little bit more than I was expecting to have happen. If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button. It takes a second and it really helps me as a new and growing channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future episodes. A giant thank you to everyone who has subscribed so far. Mary Maid has graciously offered to do a giveaway with me. They will send one lucky person a package of Mary Maid matte HTV like the one used in this video. If you'd like to participate, leave me a comment below whether or not you're going to give Mary Maid HTV a try in the future, or if you've already tried it, let me know that and what your experience was. I'll pick a winner from the commenters on Monday night and announce it in a quick video, and I'll reply to the winner's comment here. Okay, let's take a quick look at their Amazon product page. You'll notice that their vinyl is OECO-TEX Standard 100 certified, which means that every component of the product has been rigorously tested against a list of up to 350 toxic chemicals, and none of them were found. So this HTV is great for making onesies and t-shirts for babies and kids. The HTV is also certified with the CPSIA, which is the Consumer Product Safety Improvement Act. The CPSIA protects against lead, phthalates, and other problematic chemicals. They also certify for children's products. This HTV is also REACH compliant, which is an EU certification. All of Mary Maid's products are PVC-free, phthalate-free, and DEHP-free. This vinyl is also tested for 50 washes, which is pretty good. And it uses a lower temperature because it's made with advanced hot melt adhesive. Now, I mentioned before, these sheets are 12 inches by 10 inches, so it's not the standard 12 by 12 or 12 by 24 inches you may be used to for pre-cut vinyl. They do, however, sell other types of HTVs. So let's take a look at their storefront. And we can see that they sell glitter, glow-in-the-dark, reflective, and regular HTV. The cost per linear foot is good here too. The package that they send me runs $28.49, and that's for 20 pieces of vinyl. And that comes out to right about $1.42 a linear foot. They sell them in 5-foot rolls and 5-yard rolls also. And the 5-foot rolls are $12.49, which is $2.50 per linear foot, and the 5-yard rolls are $28.99, which is $1.93 a linear foot. So this compares favorably price-wise to other brands. I have a caveat here that I want to mention. Mary Maid's official website, marymaid.co, redirects to their Amazon storefront. They don't have an official website outside of Amazon that you can go to get information about the company, the vinyl warranty, and that type of stuff. So I think this vinyl is great for personal and hobby use, but if you're going to do commercial work or sell products with it, I might hold back until you can test the vinyl out for yourself in various conditions to your satisfaction. Now, the good news is that you can contact them directly through Amazon and the email address on the front of the package with any questions or concerns. So overall, I think this is a really good product, and I recommend it for your home and lifestyle crafts and fabric crafting. Now that's all for this video. Just a reminder, to enter for the HTV giveaway, let me know in the comments if you're planning on trying Mary Maid vinyl or if you've already used it and what your experience was. I'll announce a winner on Monday night and you'll get a reply to your comment if you've won. By the way, if you have a moment, subscribe to my newsletter. You'll get updates about my blog and YouTube and insider information from time to time. The link is in the description below. Until next time, happy crafting.